welcome. Thanks everyone for being here so early this morning. I had not had coffee yet and went to grab coffee and then set it down because I haven't had coffee yet, so I forgot that I needed coffee. So first things first, I want to introduce you to our organizers. We're just going to go down the row and let's see. So we've got Jenna, Aiden, Dan, Patricia, Catherine, and Rashid, Tracy. So we're going to be helping y'all out today and tomorrow. You'll be able to find us with the hall monitor wear. We've also got a lot of wonderful volunteers running around, and we'll get them on stage at the end of the event. But they are wearing yellow bandanas. So if you need help for anything, you're looking for something, a bathroom, a drink, a quiet spot, we will help you find it. So we'll get started with that. So want to say thanks already, before we even get started, to all of our speakers because they've spent endless hours prepping to get on stage for us today to educate us, and the volunteers who are already kicking butt with helping everyone. We want to say thank you also to the communities here locally that help make what we do here on Empire on an annual basis, annual year possible. So we've got awesome groups like Brooklyn.js, Manhattan.js, all of the boroughs, as well as New York JavaScript and things that aren't necessarily JavaScript focused that help us as developers learn and grow. And it makes y'all, I think, more excited to be here as well because you know what to expect from the awesome work that's happening here in the city. Also, thanks everyone for making great conversations and new friends for the next 2 days. It's something that we get really excited about is the seeing new faces and also getting to see people returning every year. So the point of this, of course, is sort of celebrating how much we enjoy nerding out on new technologies, but also finding connection to others who are doing similar work. And to be able to bring folks together who are excited to get a start in this fun thing, that's what drives us. So we really want to thank y'all for being here. But also, we have to cover a little more of the thing that helps set this environment, which is our code of conduct. So we've got it on our website, we've got it printed in a couple places here. We also will have it up on our screens in various places as well. And something to point out there is that we create these events to get all types of folks to come together and learn. And in order to create a space where people feel comfortable showing up and talking to total strangers about things that they're passionate about, we don't tolerate harassment. So more importantly, because that's also a very low bar, we like to say be kind. And save the sass or dirty joke for when you're out with a night of friends at the bar or in somewhere else that you know that that's allowed. So let's set that standard high so that we can all appreciate showing up and contributing to this awesome learning environment. And with that, we're going to welcome our MCs, Jasmine and Florida, to the stage, and they're going to lead us through the excitement of the next 2 days.
And we are so excited for you to see what we have lined up.
Yeah, thank you for joining us on this beautiful morning. We have a bunch of amazing talks from various JavaScript developers, JavaScript community, and we have a bunch of great, exciting things to show you and talk about.
We got talks, we got jokes, yes. We got music, karaoke.
We also have this piano that might be utilized, so stay tuned.
So, Jasmine, did you know that it's the last day of summer today?
Yeah, it's pretty much Halloween season and pumpkin spice latte season.
Yeah, we're actually keeping these costumes and using them after the,
Yes, exactly. I'm going to stay warm in that. So let's move on to some housekeeping. All right?
Yeah, let's go over
Okay,
housekeeping.
so it's a bit of a laundry list, so we're going to actually sit down.
Yeah, let's take a seat.
Let's take a seat. Okay. Got a list here. Okay.
First, the conference provides everybody with free Wi-Fi for everyone to utilize, use Twitter, live tweet, talk to your friends, take photo of us while we're on stage, tag us in social media and all that, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Just don't use the Wi-Fi for any torrenting or anything P2P stuff. If you want to download the first 5 seasons of The Office, do that at home. We just don't want you to get in trouble.
Anyway,
yeah, no one got it punched, but sorry, this is a pun-filled community, so sorry, but not sorry.
All right, speaking of Twitter,
How do we get on this?
As your organizers,
Yeah,
you'll see them with yellow sashes and colorful shirts and all that. I'm sure they know the information. Speaking of Twitter, don't forget to use the conference hashtags so that we get to see what all y'all been up to, get to see your photos, get to see your live tweets and all your highlights and all that.
Yeah, if you don't know what it is, it's just Empire.js.
And also follow Empire.js in the social medias. And speaking of social media, me and Jasmine also have social media. So whip out your phone, go on Twitter, type at Florida, FLORIIDAAA. Yes, that's 2 I's, 3 A's. Shout out to all my new followers. Yes, I can't wait. Would you like to share your social media?
Yes, mine is Paladique, Paladique. You can ask me later where that came from.
And before we get started, I would like to greet Jasmine a happy birthday because it was her birthday yesterday. But instead of singing happy birthday, let's try to do something different. I'm trying to do this thing where I can get audience participation by singing really popular songs. Are y'all ready? Get your vocal cords prepared. Everyone's gonna do this. If you don't, I'll be embarrassed, so don't embarrass me. Okay, so I'm sure everyone knows this. Never gonna give you up.
Never let you down. We're gonna run around. Never gonna make you cry. Never say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Thank you for not embarrassing me and Jasmine. Let's introduce our first speaker, shall we?
Yeah, let's do it.
Awesome. So our first speaker, his name is Holger, and he is a design developer consultant who lives in Hong Kong. He co-founded this company called Colloq.io, which is the first conference and event platform that has ethics in its core.
And today he's going to be talking about the untold benefits of ethical design. So give it up for Holger.